What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to be talking about the amazing Hair Saviour hair oil. So this is a hair oil. They also have a scalp oil. This is a 1.7 fluid ounce bottle, and this is the ultimate product. If you struggle with thinning hair or need hydration, this is your go-to products. It's a $36 oil and helps with a wide range of things. It thickens your hair. You can use it as like a hair mask. Put it in your hair for a couple of hours before you wash it or overnight. It helps with split ends, dandruff, really thinning hair. You put this in and it's supposed to improve that. So I'm interested to see how this works. I have some like dry parts of my hair, not too much thinning, but I do have sometimes dandruff. So you can use this 1 to 3 times a week, and it's supposed to moisturize your scalp and balance your scalp and help protects from environmental damage and frizz. So if you dye your hair or add hair dye into your hair, I feel like this is good, and just doing an oil on your hair is beneficial. So I'm gonna just apply a little bit of this to my split ends and my scalp. Hair oils I like using a couple days a week. My hair is oily, so I'm careful how much I use and how often, but if you use this, like I said, a couple days a week, this is good to use. So it has like a very light scent, not overpowering at all, but looks like this. It's an oil, so I'm just gonna put this like on my ends of my hair, because I find that's where I kind of have more split ends, and then that gives me a little shine and a little bit at my roots. I don't like putting hair oil in my bangs. It makes it more oily, and I am cautious how much I put in, but I do like putting a hair oil in, leaving it in my hair, and then washing it out, because your hair is so soft, hydrated, and hair oils have so many benefits. So I'm excited to try this more. I think I'm going to feature this also in a hair care routine. I'll show you guys how I maintain my hair now that it's longer and using this hair oil. So look out for that, and excited to test this out.